Okay, this time we are talking about the force index indicator. It is a very simple indicator. It's easy to read and also easy to code. If the indicator crosses the line in the middle from below and stays above the line, that could mean that we are bullish, and when it crosses the line from above and stays below the line, like in this case, we have a bearish trend and we would like to sell. According to the website TraderHQ.com, this is also an indicator that was developed by Dr. Alexander Elder, the author of the book Trading for a Living. Okay, now that we know how it works, how can we create an expert advisor to use the indicator? The first step is to click the little button over here or hit the F4 key on your keyboard. That will start the Meta Editor, and here we want to click on File, New, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. We will call it Simple Force Index Robot. Now click on Continue, Continue, Finish, and delete everything above the Ontick function. These two command lines are also no longer needed, because here we want to create an array. It shall hold several prices, so it's a double array, and I will call it my price array. And now it's time to define the force index definition by using the iForce function that is built into MQL5. It takes some parameters. The first one is the current symbol on the chart. The second one is the period you have selected on your chart. The force index is calculated based on the last 13 candles. You will also see it here in these little brackets. It is using the mode SMA, that stands for Simple Moving Average, and we want to use the tick volume. If you insert the indicator by clicking on Insert, Indicators, Oscillators, Force Index, you will see the exact same values here. 13 candles, Simple Moving Average, based on the tick volume. Okay, let's use the array set as series function. That will sort the price array from the current candle downwards. And now we use copy buffer for the force index definition we have created here. We need one line for the indicator, that's a 0 here. And we want to fill our array from the current candle, that's candle 0, for 3 candles, that's the 3, and store the result in our price array. And from our price array we are now going to extract the force index value for the current candle 0, and we will use normalize double for 6 digits to get the 6 digits behind the point. And now we want to create a chart output depending on the value, and if our force index value is above 0, we want to output the command trending upwards directly on our chart, and in the other case, if the force index value is below 0, we want to have the text trending downwards on our chart. Okay. Now please click on the little compile button here or press the F7 key on your keyboard. That should compile your expert advisor without any errors or warnings here. And if that was going well, please click on the button here or press F4 to go back to MetaTrader. Now in MetaTrader you want to click on View, Strategy Tester, or press Ctrl and R. And in the Strategy Tester you want to select the Simple Force Index Robot.ex5 file. Let's pick a currency pair here, enable the visualization mode and click on Start. And here we go. Now the indicator is below the line, so it says trending downwards, and as soon as the little indicator crosses the line from below, that changes to trending upwards. Okay, Now you know how to create an expert advisor for Metatrader5 that is using the force index indicator, and you have created it yourself in 5 minutes with a few lines of MQL5 code.